What if the financial system didn't become complicated by accident? What if the confusion you feel isn't a flaw, but the feature? For most of human history, money was simple. You could see who owed what, and trust came from visibility. But as trade expanded, finance started to hide. Paper replaced metal, and one pile of gold became many promises. Money stopped being something you held and became something you believed existed. Complexity slowly became the solution. And when only experts understand the system, experts control the system. Transparency didn't disappear. It drowned under layers of complexity. Then it collapsed. The crisis wasn't just about greed, it was about opacity. After the collapse, the system didn't simplify. There were more rules, but not more understanding. Today, the same pattern repeats. Complexity doesn't just confuse, it quietly extracts value because complexity always shifts power. Transparency doesn't mean overload, it means clarity. So, what happens when people demand simplicity again? Because the first step to freedom is seeing the system as it really is.